Whether you are a bonsai expert or a beginner just thinking to start making some bonsai trees, in today's episode we'll show you 10 mind-blowing bonsai hacks and tricks that can save money, help you make bonsai trees quickly for free, and save many years of your precious time. Coming up. Bonsai is an increasingly popular art of growing miniature live trees. Many people would love to own and grow bonsai trees themselves, but you'll need the right tools and right techniques to accomplish this. You'll find that most bonsai tools like scissors, shears, rakes, hooks, etc. are quite expensive, maybe because they're made in Japan or maybe the demand and supply issues. Let's begin. Hack number 10. Bonsai Rake Tool Hack. A stainless steel bonsai raking tool is an expensive tool. Simple, free solution to this is to convert a stainless steel dining fork to make a bonsai rake. Just insert the fork tines under a door or any sturdy slot and then gently bend it to your desired level to make a bonsai rake tool. Raking the topsoil is a healthy gardening practice which has a lot of benefits. Hack number 9. Wound Sealant Hack. Bonsai wound sealant paste is very expensive. A simple alternative to this is to use universally available Fevicol paste. If you want to make it more effective, you can add some antifungal powder to Fevicol paste, mix it well, and apply to larger bonsai pruning wounds. Hack number 8. Bonsai Turntable Hack. Bonsai turntable is a very useful and a must-have tool for anyone working with bonsais. If you do not have a professional bonsai turntable, cheapest alternative is a cake turntable, which can efficiently work for smaller bonsais. Another hack to make a heavy-duty turntable for larger bonsais is to use the bottom steel base from an old or broken revolving office chair. Hack number 7. Bonsai Wire Hack. If you do not have the professional bonsai wire to shape your bonsai branches, an easy alternative is to use thick gauge electric wires. You can use leftover pieces of old electric wires of different gauges to wire and bend branches easily. But never use a GI wire like this one to wire bonsais. The obvious reasons are they are prone to rusting and difficulty in removing it when you want to, as they can adhere deeply into the stem or branch. Hack number 6. Thick woody stem bending hack. It is next to impossible to bend a thick woody stem or a branch. You all know how important are bends or curves in bonsai tree designing. This bending technique is very important for making instant bonsai, especially from air layering technique, which we shall discuss it later. If you have thick branch or stem to bend, you can use a pruning saw, or if the stem is not so thick, you can use a simple hacksaw blade to make multiple wedge-shaped cuts with a gap of about 1 inch between the cuts. You can vary this number of cuts or the distance between these cuts depending on how acute you want the bend. Make sure you don't make too deep cuts. About 50% cut through the stem is fine. Then bend the stem or the branch to approximate or merge these cut wounds. To hold the bent stem in position, use a wire to support the stem or branch. Then wrap the wounds tightly with an aluminium foil first to prevent moisture loss and promote proper healing of this wound. Then wrap a grafting tape or a thin polythene sheet over this, and then if you wish, put another layer of tape around it. Keep it undisturbed in partial shade. It should heal in about 4 to 6 weeks and your bonsai stem shape is done. Hack number 5. Branch Splitter Hack. Bonsai branch cutters or splitters are indeed expensive tools. In fact, almost all bonsai tools are expensive. You can make a bonsai branch splitter by grinding a cheap nail puller tool available at any hardware store. Carefully look at the image of the bonsai cutter blades and sharpen them in the same way. If you have good grinding skills, you can even make a parrot beak or bonsai concave cutter, which is very expensive and useful bonsai tool. Branch splitters are used to split thick branches, which helps to bend the thick branches. Hack number 4. Bonsai Scissor Hack. Stainless steel bonsai shears and bonsai twig scissors are again expensive tools. A simple alternative is to use surgical scissors with long blades as quick shears. These surgical scissors are very durable and do not rust so easily. Hack number 3. Bonsai Root Rake Hook Tool Hack. Bonsai root hook is an indispensable tool needed while repotting bonsais. A simple way of making a bonsai root hook is to use large size J hooks like these one, which are cheap and easily available from a hardware store. You can sharpen the working point of this hook to your desired level. Now you need a handle to fix this hook. You can just use any wooden piece to make a handle. But the best solution to this is to use a paintbrush handle from an old paintbrush. Just cut this part and make a hole into the handle and insert the hook and screw it tightly. You can then bend this hook to your desired level if needed. That is it. Your bonsai root hook is ready to rake the roots. Hack number 2. Thick stem hack. For faster development of a thick stem or trunk of any plant, you can place your pre-bonsai plant pot on a layer of gravel bed over the soil. The plant grows faster and thicker by sending out roots into the gravel bed through the drainage holes. Hack number 1. Instant bonsai hack. As you all know, making a true bonsai tree takes many years if you're starting from a seed or a sapling. The quickest way of making and designing a thick bonsai tree is air layering technique, which gives you an instant bonsai tree to work on and save many years of work required to make a bonsai tree. You can watch a detailed episode on 5 different types of air layering and some air layering tricks and hacks from this end screen link or from a link in the description below. Please like, share and comment below with your feedback and queries. Happy gardening and happy bonsai making!